Chocolats, rejoice. I have the easiest fudge recipe for you right now. We are making this in the microwave with just 3 ingredients. Let's get started. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making microwave fudge. It is so simple to make. It's a classic from when I was little. We used to make this all the time. It is so easy. All you need are 3 ingredients. Sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, totally makes measuring easy, half a stick of butter, so 1/4 cup of butter, and chocolate chips. I like to use semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you can use dark chocolate if you want a dark chocolate fudge. You can use white chocolate if you want white chocolate fudge, and then the mix-in options are unlimited. So to start our microwave fudge, we're just going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk to the bowl of our chocolate chips. So just pour that in. Every last bit. It's all in there. Dump in your butter. And that's it. So now we're going to pop this as it is in the microwave, and we're going to microwave it for about 30 seconds on high power. You want to do this at 30-second increments so that you don't overcook or seize the chocolate on the bottom. So we're going to cook it, stir it, cook it, stir it until it's nice and smooth and like a cohesive type of mixture. There we go. Now that the fudge is all melted, still pliable, but everything's blended together, this is when you would mix in, like if you want to mix in sprinkles or nuts or more chocolate chips, just so you have like that extra bite of chocolate in there. That's not a bad idea at all. Sometimes we like to put walnuts in here. Really, you can mix anything you want. Swirl of peanut butter. We're gonna set that aside, and you're going to line a square baking dish. The smaller square you use, the thicker your pieces of fudge will be. So just keep that in mind when you're deciding on your pan. I like to line it with parchment. I'm out of parchment paper, so this is real life here. We're using foil. You want to make sure your foil is as smooth as possible if you're not using parchment and you're using foil. Otherwise, you're gonna have ripples in there, which is not bad. Your fudge is still gonna taste yummy. So now we're gonna transfer the fudge to your bowl, your baking dish. Just plop it in there. And you just wanna arrange it in a flat, even surface. So just spread it out. You can even add toppings. So if you don't want to mix anything in, you can just top it with something. Looks amazing. This is so good if you're used to getting fudge in the summertime, like on the boardwalk at the Jersey Shore or at a candy shop, your favorite candy shop. You can kind of whip this up super easily and get your fudge fix. Now we're gonna place this in the refrigerator. You just want it to firm up. So I like to put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. You don't even need to cover it. So just pop it in there, forget about it. Once the 4 hours are up, you can take it out and slice it. So I made this one in advance and it's all ready to go. We're ready to cut it. The reason you put parchment or foil in here is so you can lift it out. Just makes it easier to remove from the pan. Now the pan's clean, you don't even have to do the dishes. So we'll just peel down the sides. And now you're gonna cut it into squares. You're gonna take a sharp knife and as big as you want, or as small as you want. I like to do little squares and then give this out for the holidays on a cookie tray. It's like an extra pop of chocolate. The fudge is always the first to go. That is it. How easy is that? You can just arrange it on a plate or put it in a little box to give as a gift. I'm just going to eat it right now. It is so good. It's rich and dense and creamy. So amazing. This is the perfect way to get your chocolate fix. This fudge would actually be awesome on some of the dessert boards. In my new book, Dessert Boards, I actually have the Beach Boardwalk Sweets board, and there's fudge on the board as an ingredient. And then we also have the Carnival Treats board. Make sure you grab your own copy of Dessert Boards wherever books are sold. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.